Would you ever imagine Lexus, the name behind refined luxury sedans and performance SUVs, building a motorhome? Well, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome turns that dream into reality. Today we're exploring one of the most luxurious and technologically advanced motorhomes ever created, a masterpiece that blends automotive precision with high-end living. Could this be the most elegant rolling sanctuary on Earth? First, let's step inside. The moment you enter, you realize this isn't your average RV. It's a Lexus through and through. Imagine stepping into an interior inspired by the Lexus LS sedan. Soft ambient lighting, handcrafted leather, and genuine wood veneers that create a tranquil atmosphere. Would your attention go first to the ultra-comfort captain's chairs that recline and massage, or to the sculpted panels and floating shelves that seem lifted straight from a luxury penthouse? The living area features a massive OLED display, a Mark Levinson surround sound system, and AI-driven climate and lighting controls that adapt to your mood. The kitchen feels futuristic, equipped with a smart induction cooktop, compact dishwasher, and voice-activated storage. The bedroom offers a king-size floating bed with adaptive suspension and ambient skylighting, while the spa-inspired bathroom features rainfall showers and heated marble flooring. Now let's move to the exterior. The 2026 Lexus Motorhome looks breathtaking, sleek, futuristic, and aerodynamic from every angle. The body uses lightweight carbon aluminum composites sculpted to flow smoothly through the air for maximum efficiency. The signature Lexus spindle grille is reimagined in brushed aluminum with integrated adaptive lighting that adjusts to terrain and weather. Picture yourself arriving at a remote coastal view, pressing a button and watching as the side panels extend to reveal an outdoor terrace with LED mood lighting and a retractable lounge canopy. Finished in deep pearl white or midnight titanium, accented with chrome lines and 22-inch forged wheels, this motorhome doesn't just move, it glides in style. And under the surface, it's pure Lexus innovation. The powertrain options include a hybrid V6 or a fully electric model powered by Lexus's next-generation solid-state batteries, delivering incredible torque and range. Imagine whisper-quiet cruising along the highway as the adaptive air suspension absorbs every imperfection, giving you the calm serenity Lexus is known for. With Level 3 autonomous driving, smart terrain assist, and 360-degree obstacle detection, it's not just luxurious, it's intelligent. Whether you're navigating mountain passes or gliding through city streets, the drive feels effortless. Wouldn't you want that kind of smooth control in your home on the move? Now let's address the price. Starting around $450,000, the Lexus Motorhome easily climbs to $800,000 or more, depending on configuration, powertrain, and customization. But what you're really paying for is more than transportation. You're buying craftsmanship, cutting-edge innovation, and Lexus serenity wherever the road leads. To wrap it up, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome isn't just a luxury RV. It's a symbol of Lexus's future vision for travel. Quiet, sustainable, and incredibly refined. It redefines the idea of what a motorhome can be by merging Japanese craftsmanship with next-generation technology. So would you take this elegant machine across the country or park it as your private mobile retreat? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And before you go, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more exclusive reviews. Because next time, we're showing you another luxury motorhome that might just outshine even this Lexus. And trust me, you won't want to miss it.